So do you like those round sculpted shoulders? So do I. I've got the ultimate shoulder workout for you today, and it's going to hit all three parts of the shoulders. So let's get into your gym clothes, grab your pre-workout, and let's hit the gym and get started. Today's workout is using all dumbbells. So for the side lat raises, grab a pair of dumbbells that's going to be a relatively low weight because the shoulders are a small muscle. You can do these seated or standing. Start with your arms by your side and lift them slightly above a 90-degree angle. Keep the arms straight and let the shoulders and traps do all of the work. Likewise, the overhead press can be done seated or standing. With the dumbbells in hand, start with your arms at a 90-degree angle and use your shoulder muscles to push upward. The dumbbells do not actually have to connect at the top, so bring them down to about a T shape, back to that 90-degree angle, and push back up. Do this 10 times and really feel your muscles pushing. With your dumbbells in hand, bend over so that your body is parallel with the floor at a 90-degree angle. Keep your core stable and use the back side of your shoulder muscles, those rear delts, to lift the weights fully. So all the way out to your side, keeping your arms straight. For our core exercises, you're going to need a bench, or if you're at home, you can lie directly on the floor. So lying down, alternate your legs, lifting each leg and lowering the other one, using those ab muscles to do the lifting and the lowering. Placing yourself at one end of the bench, hold on to it with both hands and lift and lower both legs at the same time. Lower the legs a little bit less than parallel with the body and then lift them both up at the same time. Use your lower abs to do the lifting, and down and up, down and up. Great job. Grab a dumbbell and lie all the way on the bench. Hold the dumbbell in the air with both hands and using your upper ab muscles, lift yourself up and lower yourself back down. So lift up and back down, up and back down, feeling those ab muscles burn and do all of the work here. So up and down, up and down. Great job. So if your core is feeling the burn right now, then we did an excellent job today. If you enjoyed the workout, hit the like button, drop a comment, let me know how it went. By all means, subscribe so you can be here for the next one. I'll see you guys then.